Hello everyone. Warm greetings to all of you. Welcome back to BD Fish Cutting, your trusted channel for traditional fish cleaning and cutting techniques. If you love fish, home cooking, and authentic preparation methods, then this channel is perfect for you. Today's video is a complete, step-by-step guide on how to clean and cut a fresh Carfu fish for curry. Please watch the video till the end to learn the full traditional process. Now let's begin. Here we have a fresh Carfu fish, also known as carp fish. You can notice the bright scales, natural color, and firm body. These are clear signs of a fresh fish. Fresh fish always gives better taste, better texture, better cooking results. Choosing the right fish is the first step to a perfect curry. First, we wash the fish thoroughly with clean water. We remove all surface dirt, slime, and unwanted smell. Using our hands, we gently rub the fish body. Proper washing is very important for hygiene. Now, we start removing the scales. We scrape the scales slowly from tail to head. Every single scale must be removed carefully. This step takes time, but it is very important. If scales are left behind, they can ruin the texture of the curry. After scaling, we wash the fish again. Cleanliness is the key to good fish cooking. Next, we carefully cut open the belly of the fish. We use a sharp knife to make a clean and controlled cut. Always cut slowly to protect the fish meat. Now, we remove all the internal organs. This part must be done very carefully. If the gallbladder breaks, the fish can become bitter. After removing everything from inside, we wash the fish again with plenty of water. A clean fish has no bad smell, no bitterness, better flavor. Now comes an important step, cutting using a boti. The boti is a powerful and classic kitchen tool. It has been used for generations in Bangladeshi homes. We place the fish carefully on the boti. Holding it firmly, we start cutting slowly. The fish is cut into small, equal-sized curry pieces. Equal-sized pieces ensure even cooking, beautiful presentation, better eating experience. We cut with patience and control. Traditional cutting gives the best result. Now, we carefully cut the fish head. The head is very tasty and often used in curry. Many people consider fish head the best part. After cutting the head, we continue cutting the body into small pieces. Each piece is shaped properly. Good cutting improves cooking quality, curry appearance, overall taste. After cutting, we arrange the fish pieces neatly. You can now use these fish pieces for traditional fish curry, spicy masala dishes, home-style cooking. This cutting method is perfect for everyday meals. Always use a sharp knife or boti. Never rush while cutting fish. Wash the fish multiple times. Clean cutting leads to better cooking. Good preparation is the secret of delicious food. Thank you so much for watching this video on BD Fish Cutting. If you enjoyed this Carfu fish cutting process, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to BD Fish Cutting. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get more traditional fish cutting videos. See you again very soon with another fish cutting guide. Until then, happy cooking and stay safe.